Hello, hey guys, welcome to back to my YouTube channel. Wattpad, the applications and website, the loading and the posting error problems. The posting error problem, the posting has been not working. WP network error, disable error 131, and your network connection error problems and different error problems. The posting error problem. First of all, the open the Chrome browser. Let me the checking the server status updated your checkings. Let me the checking the website. Don't detective. Open the Wattpad. The posting error mostly and the 170 is reporting error problems and mostly location and reporting 161% posting error and server connected 29% and the audience the shares commented and the recommended the error problems but any solve the issues and the properly guideline but pad the application the officially executor handles and the share a team urgently the error problem the solution update now. Thanks for watching these videos.